Hi, this is Harry from Biofeedback Resources International, and we have now started providing specific training for headache applications. Using biofeedback for headache applications. We've done a couple of custom training programs for clients where we went on site to their facility because they had a group of practitioners that they wanted to get trained. So we've done these on site, customized for the client's needs, and focused on tension headaches and migraine headaches, how you would set up biofeedback for those applications, going through the protocols, and also going through how to set up your equipment in order to have the proper screens and modalities and so on available to do the work for working with people with headaches, both tension and migraine. So if this is something that you're interested in, we can provide a custom training for you on site. Also, I will be planning and scheduling seminars that will be for groups. If you're just one person, you can come to one of our trainings that we'll do at a specified location, and people from different practices can come to that type of training. If you're interested in either a open training or on-site custom training, you can give us a call. Phone number toll free is 877-669-6463 or 914-762-4646. You can also visit our website, biofeedbackinternational.com. We'll be adding these custom trainings and headache protocol trainings to our website, so you'll see that in the training section. If you have any questions, please give us a call, or you can also send me an email. Email address is harry@biofeedbackinternational.com. Talk to you soon.